Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a would you rather. I posted on my Instagram and Snapchat sending questions and I'm finally doing it. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends so everybody can see them and all. So follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. The first question comes from Chevelle20 on Instagram. Would you rather spend the night in a cemetery or spend a year in jail? Like, I'd rather to spend the night in a cemetery. Second question, underscore dot ray underscore ray dot underscore 14. Would you rather die for hunger or lose your arms and legs? I'd rather to die for hunger because you never stay for how long, by the way. So I'd rather to die for hunger for one day than to lose my legs and my arms. Third question comes from underscore dot smooches. Would you rather go back to the day you meet Reza and change everything or just let it stay right now? I wouldn't change a thing. I'd rather to let it stay like how it is right now. It is not perfect, but it is okay. I cannot pronounce this name, but the person sent. Would you rather never have sex again for the rest of your life or lose all your teeth? S or lose your teeth? I'd rather to lose my teeth. All my teeth. I'd rather to lose them. Because I can get dentures and nobody would know. Nobody not gonna know. So I'm rather... This is essential. I'd rather to lose my teeth. Next question comes from tension underscore music. Would you rather a life of torment or death by the person you love the most? Oh Lord, this is a very hard question. I don't know, but I think I would rather a life of torment because probably it could have fixed one day by prayers and stuff. I'm hoping prayers do work. So me that rather the life of torment. We probably could have prayed about it and get over it. Who knows? But me can't manage to lose somebody when I really love right now. Especially that person there. I cannot manage to lose that person. Would you rather live to see 100 years poor or 45 years rich? I would rather to live 100 years poor than to live 45 years rich because I'm 21 and 21 and 45 is 66. I don't want to die at age 66. I don't want dead so quick because yo, like me see some people are 70 and them look real good. Me I tell you, like real good. So I want to live past 66. So I rather to die poor. Me already, where me even grown corner? Me already poor and me I live. So a couple more years when that now gonna kill me. I rather to live poor. Would you rather have a goat for a pet or a horse? I rather to have a goat. Would you rather go 3 days without electricity or 3 days without water? I rather to go 3 days without electricity. Water ever gone and you never thirsty or nothing, and as you're aware of it say it gone, you just feel like you're dead from thirst? I'd rather to live without electricity. Would you rather be lost at sea or break up with your boyfriend? I'd rather to break up with my boyfriend. Would you rather have a lizard place on your head or a frog? None. But if I have to answer, I'd rather to have the lizard. I'm really afraid of lizard and frog. Like, I'm not ramp with them things them. I'm afraid of them, especially frog. Would you rather date a beggar or a physically challenged person? I'd rather to date a physically challenged person. Because who knows, probably him have a nice job, nice car, something. But somebody with a beggar? No, sir. Nikki, would you rather be married to a killer or to a rapist? Very good question. I'd rather to marry to a killer. One kill. Depends on when kill. But yeah, I'm rather to marry to the killer because rapist is a no. No. Would you rather kiss a girl or kiss a madman? Kiss a girl. Serena, would you rather eat dog poop or human poop? Me not you know body human pooping or so I could just go with the dog. I rather not to do any of them, but me go with the dog cause Wendy, would you rather live your entire life alone or live it surrounded by annoying people? I rather to live alone. Me don't annoy me, annoy myself sometimes. Would you rather be loved by your family or by your friends? I rather to be loved by my family and the friends. I love to feel love. But yeah, I rather to be loved by my family. Unruly underscore chopstar underscore. Would you rather to sneeze every second or to pee every minute? I rather to sneeze every second. I don't know why, but I love sneeze. It feel good. Yeah, it feel good. Weird, right? Shireen, Auntie Shireen. Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or to be 20 minutes early? I rather to be early than late. Would you rather lose all of your money on the valuables or all of your pictures you have ever taken? Ouch. Lad, can't just understand how if you lose all your picture them. I rather to lose all the pics. Would you rather be able to see 10 minutes into your own future or 10 minutes into the future of anyone but yourself? Did you get that question here already? I'm rather to see in my future than somebody else's future. Why not? I'm rather to see in my future. Would you rather have a horrible job but be able to retire comfortably in 10 years or have your dream job but have to work until the day you die? I'd rather to have a horrible job because I can retire when I want to retire and I'm going to be comfortable after that, after retirement. So I'd rather to have a horrible job. Auntie Shireen again. Would you rather be completely invisible for a day or be able to fly for one day? But I'd rather be invisible. X underscore suave underscore king underscore X. Would you rather eat a rat or kill a cat? That's what a random question. I'd rather to kill the cat. I mean, I love cats and I would like to kill one cat. But I'm rather to kill a cat. Why am I going to eat one rat? Oh, that was the last question. Thank you guys for sending in all your questions. I appreciate it. Thanks for taking part. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video around. Thank you guys for participating in my Would You Rather, and I have a lot more videos to come. And trust me, I'm not going to take so long to post. Like, I'm serious now. You may go through some little stuff physically and mentally. Yeah. So just stay with me, but a lot more videos are gonna come probably every week. Oh, by the way, talking about posting the schedule, I think it's every week. Me probably gonna start drop like one video every week, but trust me, them are gonna come and them are gonna be lit, and I'm gonna get pranks, vlogs, air tutorial. I'm not too good, but you know, air tutorials, cooking with Iandra. We have a lot of stuff. Your girl gonna go all out for y'all.
She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows